In this tutorial, I am going to talk about year planning. Planning is essential not only in teaching but in all spheres of human activity. As planning is the key to success in any activity, success of teaching learning process also depends upon proper and meticulous planning. Planning for instruction involves planning for three levels, that is year planning, unit planning and lesson planning. Year planning is done by the teacher at the beginning of the year for the entire course. For example, a teacher who teaches course in his subject for a particular class plans the curriculum and co-curriculum activities as per the syllabus for the entire academic year. The teacher has to prepare the year plan keeping in the mind the following points: the number of units to be covered as per the syllabus during the academic year, the number of periods needed to cover each unit, the number of periods allotted for subjects per week. The year plan forces the teacher to consider the time available and make the optimum use of it by planning per week, per month and per term before the commencement of the academic session. The year planning helps the teacher in taking decisions regarding when to teach what, how much time can be assigned for each unit or topic, how many hours of project or laboratory work can be assigned to the students, how much time can be allotted for revision, test and examinations. The number of holidays during the academic year. Advantages of year plan. The year planning helps the teacher in planning for the entire course for the whole of the academic year. It keeps the teacher on the right track. It enables the teacher to cover the syllabus within the allotted time, as planning saves waste of time and energy. It helps the teacher in orderly and systematic teaching. It gives a lot of self-confidence to the teacher as he is sure of what is expected of his during each period, week, month, term, etc. Now try this. What are the needs of year planning? What are the nature of year planning? What are the essentials of a good year planning?